I'm back with another grocery haul slash market haul. Now we're gonna run through the stuff then because quite a bit. Anyways, I went to the market and the wholesale. I shop at the wholesale, guys, because for me it's more reasonable. Now if you shop at the supermarket, nothing is wrong with that, but for me I'm more comfortable for shop at the wholesale because it works out better for me. Comment in the comment section and let me know where you guys shop, at the supermarket or at the wholesale, and which one I rather, which one I think more reasonable. A pound of sweet pepper, pound of onion, and this is the market part of the haul. Some tomato, just 5 of them, but them are small. Alter that. I got my favorite, can't let this one I got the market, Dashin. I think this wait, yeah, this a 3 pound of Dashin. Some sweet potato, some Irish, and some cabbage. I never get no pop choy. I already have callaloo. I never have to buy no banana because I have banana. So them there when I get at the market. I have scallion and thyme already. So I have callaloo, I have scallion and thyme. I don't have no scotch bonnet. Oh, I finna buy no pepper. Guys, I never remember about pepper none at all. Alright, so for the wholesale haul now. Alright, so we get some cornmeal, 6 cock soup, not 6, 3 of them, 3 cock soup. This, I've never tried it before, but then I have the one I normally buy. So I normally buy the Grace sweet and spicy. I can't find it nowhere. So I'm going to take that one here. What is sweet pineapple pepper sauce? I don't know how this tastes. I'm curious to taste it in my oatmeal. I want to tell you how it tastes from now. Alright, let me see. It have the same consistency like the Grace sweet and spicy. I don't know. I don't know. It don't taste bad, but I don't get the spice. Wait, shake it up. Probably the spice stuck at the bottom. Alright, one more try. We'll try it again. I don't taste the pineapple. Alright, it's spicy now, but I don't taste the pineapple. Alright, so it don't taste bad, but I don't taste the pineapple. It just tastes sweet and spicy. A big pack of Lasco. Six of these. So this are 4. The rest is somewhat in the bag, but 6 of these. Rice, 2 of these. Some flour. To the next rice here. 3 of these. So I'm not sure if I did say this tuna earlier, but I normally top up the stuff that my mother usually top up on are like these, like biscuit, bread, egg, sometimes onion, tomato. Yeah, them that the stuff the mom would top up on. If I miss nothing further down in the hall, me will tell you. But for the rice and the flour, those stuff normally last me because I just me and Jason. And we will get visitor, but not all the time. Crackers, 3 of them. They never have no cinnamon. Hence why I never got no cinnamon. 3 of these. 3 coconut powder. I already have 3. So me just take up 3 more. And a pack of sugar. On to the next bag. I normally carry my own bag. This is a bashka bag. Because sometimes the wholesale not have no box and then you have to buy them bag. And them bag can't hold nothing. So you have to buy all 6 of them, 8 of them. Yeah. 1 box of Toka Loka because Jason loves these. Cornflakes. Hand towel. Cake mix. Garbage bag. Oats. Milk. Bun. Wait, that's 2 different buns. I need to take up 3 of them here, but I accidentally take up this. But it's the same spice bun. No, wait. Also yummy McSpice bun and what is wholesome McSpice bun. Alright, I'll try this and see if it tastes, but it feels soft. Feels soft. No matter, so 3 bun. 3 ginger bulla. Ginger bulla with pear? Bad. I always want to try this pineapple bulla. So I take up 1. I'm going to take up 1 coconut bulla, but I eat the coconut bulla this morning. And the coconut bulla tastes really nice. So the next time I go back, I'm going to take up 3 coconut bulla. Cooking oil. And 6 Oreo. 6 Oreo. Pack of salt. So in another bag here we have vinegar, ketchup, the best ketchup, Cal's, jam. No, the kids them come over sometime, hence why I take up that jam here. And peanut butter. My season. Listen, you see that season here? Me used to never like it, you know. I always say I never love the flavor where it give food, but I don't know, probably my taste bud them change out, and cause this really nice. What me did I talk about, but I never love this. How me could have said that? Anyways, this butter, or maybe some margarine, some clove, tin milk. So sometimes I get the Betty, sometimes I get the Surge. 3 of them. See next milk here. Maggi. 3 mackerel. The mackerel here tastes really good. 3 baked bean. The next one. 3 sweet corn. Oh, see next baked bean here. 3 sardine. 3 woo, corned beef. Where key for them? Oh, I'm gonna get a key for the corned beef here. Anyways, I always have some extra key put on one side. Oh, see it here in my bag. The key. Cause nothing annoying, so. And some tuna. 6 of them tuna here. Cause I always make tuna and cucumber salad. Tastes really good. So moving on to the toiletries section. No. Wanna hear the bird them? Sounds so good. Yeah, no, I took out my little girly stuff them, like my sanitary napkin, panty liner, and the wipes. So 1 pack of wipes, 3 pack of sanitary napkin, and 3 pack of panty liner. It's included. That's the price for those is included in all of this here. So I'm get at the wholesale. So I'm just make you know. Along with those, I got 9 tissue. A pack of this. I always buy this. They may come in really handy. My carbolic soap. Oh, smells so good. Wrap it up back. If you know, you know. My house have one of this. Up to. A hand soap. Wipes, Lysol wipes. Watch out. Then put the tea in the toiletries back. It really smell like the soap still. Instant ginger tea with lemon. That a box of toothpaste. I have one of my just pull. Somebody just take one more, you know, just for top up. Dishwashing liquid. Baking soda. This is a must have, guys. I always pick up a box of baking soda. And 6 palm olive soap. I love these. But that one here is my favorite. And one next one in a one blue bag. Hold on there, guys. Alright, so moving on. A pack of wipes. That's for my handbag. A bottle of alcohol. File paper. These Ziploc bags. And 3 pear soap. So the only thing with the wholesale is that when you finish cash and everything, you normally go up at the front, go order them here in the wholesale here, like the pear soap, not the toothpaste, the hand soap and the alcohol. So you get them there at the front, but same wholesale though. So I do all of the calculation, don't worry on yourself. Alright guys, so moving on. 12 egg. I normally top up on that because that not really serve too long. So I get chicken tender. This is for when the girls them come over. I can make sandwich for them. Frank, turkey neck, chicken foot, salt mackerel, pigtail, some chicken mixed parts, and some chicken back, saltfish, and corn to make a mini porridge. And that's it. That's all I got at the wholesale. Just in case I did go through the meat them too fast, I get salt mackerel, I get saltfish, pigtail, chicken foot, turkey neck, chicken back, chicken, franks, chicken tender. Alright guys, I'm going to talk about the price now. So the total market price is $5,250, and that would our work out to be $34 US. So So comment in the comment section and let me know if that is reasonable for the amount of market stuff them I'm showing you. And then for the wholesale bill is $41,740, and that in a US would be $260 US. So in total for everything, market and wholesale, I spend $46,990, and that would have worked out to be $303 US. Comment in the comment section and let me know if that's reasonable or it's too much. Okay, just talk to me in the comment section, guys. That is it. Remember to talk to me in the comment section if you should ask me. I think cost of living is really high, and every time I go to wholesale, it's more money for the same amount of stuff that I always buy. So things are raised. It are raised little by little. So yeah, may I encourage you now, plant and look at stuff them. When you buy your pepper, your sweet pepper, your tomato, save the seed, and you know, plant where you can plant so you can lessen the amount of stuff where you have to leave out go buy, or you know, you can just run go in your backyard go pick one little pepper, something. But yeah, that's that. I'm happy with the amount of stuff that I've got, me not gonna lie. So me now only just conserve with the food, we cook, we put food like in a cover dish, and yeah, we don't waste food, none at all. We'll make it work. But yeah, that's that. Anything wanting to see me buy, me don't need it, or me already have it, like soap powder, baking powder, black pepper, curry. I have them little stuff there already, hence why I'm gonna buy it. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tried the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.